UES International is a 100+ year company, and I'm the third generation of my family to own this company. And what we've always done and what we're doing now is we design, we manufacture and we supply product to a diverse range of markets. This is the building that we've bought and we're developing at the moment to be our new headquarters. And I love this place because it's so full of history with old wooden beams and brick walls, which we're going to retain and develop the possibilities for the future. This will house our designers and our design engineer prototyping workshop. So our prototypes will be developed and produced here, as will our marketing material and our production room. So it'll be a very creative place. UES International is about people, and we are one team where everyone plays a role of equal importance, whether it's in the warehouse, whether it's in the factory, whether it's as a design engineer or as a sales manager or a customer service representative or in accounts. We're all one team focused on listening to our customer base and trying to offer better solutions. UES is growing through diversification, and I think our strength is the broad range of products that we offer to specific industries and markets. It's the range of products, the quality of products, and the expertise we offer to those segments that separates us from our opposition. The diversification of our products has come from our customer base, and they are the most important element of our design process, our development process, our manufacturing process, and ultimately our supply process. The design process always starts with a conversation with our customers, a collaborative process that then forms an initial drawing. That initial drawing is developed, and what I love about technology is that we can then make a 3D model using our prototyping technology and print that in-house to get a sign-off from our customer. And the greatest thing is to see a customer excited about the drawing starting to come alive. From that prototype, we then tool, and we then make the casting or the item that forms the assembly. The raw material arrives into our factory, and once checked and approved, is then cut to specific lengths. Those specific lengths are then taken to our CNC machine, and using the computerized programs bent to the shapes that we need to make up our seating ranges. Those shapes are then sub-assembled, linished, and sent out to powder coat. At powder coat, they're painted in the colors that we have orders for and brought back into the factory, checked, and then goes to our assembly area. Our fabric is cut in the patterns to make up our seating ranges. Our assembly area has hydraulic machines that were invented in-house to stretch the material so it's constant from the top of the seat right through each area of the seat to the end of the seat. That gives the suspended feeling that one has when they're sitting in any of our seating range. The seat frame is then finished with corner castings, end caps, bases, seat harnesses, mechanisms, sub-assemblies that go under the seat in terms of beam configurations, legs, and from that checked before going to packaging and dispatch. Through all these manufacturing and assembly processes, checking every single stage is imperative. And in fact, right through the whole UES International range of products, quality and an attention to quality is of premium focus. UES has got stronger and grown through diversification. And as a group, what we have is individual, specific, focused people working in market segments with the broadest range of product. The world is changing so fast, and as the world is getting smaller, I'm proud that as an Australian company, we're reaching out globally, developing relationships with customers in the United States, throughout Asia, Europe, all over the world. We are an international company. When I travel overseas, I'm equally proud to tell people that UES Seating, our seating division, is still manufacturing in Penrith, Western Sydney, Australia. UES has always invested back into the company. My family were always committed to reinvesting money back into the company to ensure the development of where we were going as an organization. And that's what we have done and will continue to do in the future. Over the last few years, we've invested in newer technologies, machines, in people, not for the sake of investing and throwing money away for no reason, but to improve what we're doing, to improve how we design, how we manufacture, and how we supply product. I love the fact that we have a rich history as a company, and I think everyone in the company can feel that history. It informs us in everything that we're doing. But I'm focused on where we're going and what it is that we're going to become in the future. At UES International, we're constantly testing all of our products and acquiring all of the certifications that we need to supply with every product in every market segment. And our seating division is no different. We're doing IMO certification testing, we're doing AFADI testing, BIFMA testing, strength testing, fire retardant testing. We're doing testing of materials, constantly looking at other ways to improve the product that we're finally delivering. We even throw seats off the sides of buildings just to see what happens.
Yeah, just go. Yeah, 9. Yeah. So touch more. One more, please. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. 900. Let it go off. Up is 6, down is... Yeah, that's broken off. Yeah, you have a 7. So that's 600 kilos. And the others were actually 900 kilos. We do use the terminology kilonewtons for these tests. So, but it's the same numbers, if you like. So when it reads 7.47 over there now, it's 7.74 kilonewtons, which is the same as I said, 745 kilos. So the forward pressure is at 900, it's getting close to a ton, which is a very considerable amount of pressure. It's a lot of pressure. It doesn't look like it when it takes it, but there's a lot of pressure applying. Okay.
One, two, three.
No problem.
All right. So that fell front forwards. A little bit of scratching from the concrete. The rise and fall works okay. I can lock the seat off in the 3 different positions. The aluminium cast base and rollers are all working well. So I could just use this seat and be operational straight away. In our 100+ year history, UES International has been known as a quality supplier of product. It's generational and it is a key focus in every division of the company. Constant improvement is imperative for us. I feel like if we're not going forward and improving in everything that we're doing, we're going backwards, and that's not an option for us.